Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Infinite.
What does the dictionary say?
An unlimited quantity or magnitude.
Math rap.
Infinite is a special math term, my friend. It means things that can go on without an end. For example, there are infinite whole numbers that don't stop, like the amount of bad math raps that I can drop.
Math rap.
Explain infinite in your own words. Knowing what infinite means, explain what definite means. Can you think of anything that has an infinite amount? If you could have an infinite amount of anything in the world, what would it be? Why? If you could eat infinite amounts of food, what would that food be? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!